Good day. I need to change out the air filter on my 98 Honda VTR1000. So it's probably gone about 25,000 kilometers since I last changed the air filter. And I have a K&N reusable filter. I have two of these, and one is currently in service in the bike, and I have one that I just sprayed with the air filter cleaner. So what K&N says is to spray it generously on both sides, and let it dry for, rather let it soak in for 10 minutes, and then rinse it with a hose, low pressure hose, just without a nozzle. So I'll let that soak in for the next 10 minutes or so, and then I'll take it out in the backyard and rinse it with a hose. That's the easy part. Next, I'll take the gas tank off so I can access the airbox and replace the dirty filter with this cleaned one. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.